Good day, everyone. This is Israel at PrismHue, and today we are getting straight to the point with KeePassX. KeePassX is a password manager. It's open source. It's free. You can go to KeePassX.org and download the application there. If you go to Downloads, here you have all your options. So let's go ahead and close this window. I already downloaded the application. Here, I just selected create a new database. So that's what I got here. It's already open. First, it asks for a password. So what we're going to do is create one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to repeat that password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we also have the option to create a key file. What a key file does, it allows you to make your database file more secure, because without that key, you cannot open that database. So I selected that option here. I'm going to go ahead and click create. It's asking me where I want to save it. I'm going to go to my desktop, and I have a folder named test1. And up here, we are going to name the file 123. So go ahead and click save. We have that. And here's the location, or the key and location. So once we do that, we go ahead and click OK. And our database is ready. Now we're going to create a new entry. Here we can name it, let's say, Google, for example. You can also add your username if you'd like. So just put some characters in there. And your password, you can either type it in yourself, or you can use a password generator, which is right here. So go ahead and click generate. And the cool thing about this is you can increase the number of characters with a slider. You can also change it from lowercase, uppercase, just numbers, and mix everything around pretty much, and special characters. If you click on this eye icon, it allows you to view the password. So there you go. So for right now, all we're going to do is go ahead and click accept, and our password's there. You also have the eye icon to be able to view that, and you're all set. If you have the URL, you can put it in. There's several things you can do with this app. It allows you to save attachment. You can also take notes. So it will all be in this entry. So once you're done with that, go ahead and click OK and click save. Anytime you create an entry, you're always going to click save. In this case, we haven't saved our database, so it's giving us the option to do so now. We're going to click on desktop, go to test 2, and we are going to name this 123 DB. Go ahead and click on save, and we are all set. So let's create one more entry just so you get the hang of it. We're going to name this 123. Just give it some numbers. We're going to give it a user of 456, and let's go ahead and generate a password. And this time let's increase the number of characters. So you see there, 30. What's cool about this is that routers, for example, only allow you to or most allow you to create a password which only has 32 characters or less. So that's just for the admin. But if you're gonna create a Wi-Fi key, you can increase it all the way to 60. I think it's 62 characters. I usually do 60. And the cool thing about this is that it's convenient. It's very easy to use. Let's view the password. So it's pretty long there. Not all systems are going to allow you to use special characters, but the ones that do, it's very handy. It creates a secure password. So once you do that, go ahead and click accept. If you have any notes, go ahead and click OK. Once you click OK, remember, anytime you create an entry, click save, and you're all set. Now, once you have these, you can right click on them, and you got these options here. You get these options. So right now I could delete the entry, or I could copy the user so I don't have to type it in. I could copy the password, same thing, so I don't type it in. So you don't really have to remember the passwords. You could always, just go to this and copy it and paste it. The cool thing about it is once you copy the password, it has it in memory on your clipboard for a couple seconds. It's even less than a minute. Um, it goes away, so you're not going to be able to paste it after more than a couple seconds. So let me give you an example here. So I'm going to open this and just open a text document. And let's go ahead and click on new just to show you how it works. I'll move this down to the side here, and let's copy our password. Go here, copy password, and paste it. So now that we have it there, I'm gonna wait a couple seconds, and let's try and paste it again. You see how it's gone? That's a cool thing about it because it doesn't save it in memory. Um, that's another cool feature, just for security. So that's KeePassX. It's very easy to use. Um, Another good thing I should mention is that I saved my database file here, just on this test. But you can actually save this on your Mac or in your Google Drive. This file is a primary database file. This holds all your passwords, and you could save this on your iCloud account. So if you save it, iCloud saves both your documents and your desktop files in the cloud if you have that option. The cool thing about it is it'll back up your key all the time, every single day or whenever you update it. Same thing with Google. Um, what's convenient about this is that you don't have to save your key in there. The reason you don't want to save your key inside the cloud is because then you'll have both, and somebody can, maybe crack it and get your passwords. So what you do is you save this file in an external drive, or also back it up on a USB. And what's cool about it is you put in your USB to open your database. Let's do that real quick. For example, here we're going to go ahead and click on KeePassX to open it. Or no, let's click on the file. So we're going to click on the database file. When you first open it, it's going to ask you for the key. Well, this is your database right here, but it has a master key, so it reminds you. So down here it says key file. What you're going to do is click on browse, and I saved the key file on my desktop inside test 1. But if you were to have this key in a USB drive, you insert your USB drive, select your key, and go ahead and open it. So there it is. So once you have that, just put in your password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit enter, and there you are. You're in. So that's the convenience about this, is that number one, it's very easy to use. It's secure. It's free. And another thing, you can save your key file inside an external drive, so you don't have it within your system, so it doesn't get backed up. You back it up in something external, so it's more secure. It's never going to get backed up by your cloud service. So that's what's cool about it. And that's KeePassX. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please send me a message, and I'll get back to you, quickly, if hopefully. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.